Dear students, good morning, namaste. Now we are going to start the 10th part vector algebra, that is 9 parts are successfully completed, and I think you are following well. Okay, na? Yeah. Now we are in the exercise 10.2, that is solved already 5 problems. Now it is very simple problems. Sixth one. Find the sum of A bar, B bar and C bar. Where asked the addition of vectors. A bar plus B bar plus C bar. What is A bar? A bar is I minus 2j plus k. Plus what is B bar? Minus 2i plus 4j plus 5k. Okay, na? Yeah. Plus C bar is I minus 6j minus 7k. Okay, na? You have to practice like this. You see, I am using here the coordinates. 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 4 5 1 minus 6 minus 7. Okay, na? You see 1 plus minus 2, that means 1 minus 2 plus 1, that is 0. Minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 plus 2 minus 6 plus 2 minus 6 minus 4j. 1 plus 5 1 plus 5 6 minus 7 6 minus 7 6 minus 7 means minus 1k. Okay, na? It is clearly minus 4j minus k. Like this we have to practice. This practice helps in while we are solving the problems in the objective. Okay, na? Or otherwise, if it is somewhat confusion, you directly I minus 2i, I minus same thing, I minus 2i minus I plus I cancels 0. Minus 2j plus 4j plus 2j minus 6j. 2 minus 4 6 minus 4j. K plus 5k 6k minus 7k minus k. Okay, like that. That is all. Next, seventh one. Find the unit vector along A bar. Here, we are given A bar is equal to I plus j plus 2k. Don't confuse one. I am always using just like bar, I bar, j bar, k bar. But you have to practice, you have to write in the exams. Cap one. Cap is the correct one. But my practice is like this one. Okay, na? Don't confuse. A bar we are given, yeah. And we are asked to find a unit vector along the A bar. Along A bar. Unit vector. Unit vector is A cap. A cap is A bar by modulus of A bar. Already I told you. A bar by modulus of A bar is A cap. X bar by modulus of X bar is X cap, like that. A vector is divided with the magnitude means there remain only one unit magnitude, but direction is same. Okay, already we discussed about it very well. So it is I plus j plus 2k by root of magnitude means 1 plus 1 plus 2 square. Okay, na? That is nothing but I plus j plus 2k by root 1 plus 1 plus 4 root 6. Okay, na? It is plus or minus 1 by root 6 of I plus j plus 2k. We may use plus or minus. You don't confuse. While you are asked the length of unit vector, I mean magnitude of a vector, length of a vector is always positive. There we use plus root 6 because we are asking the length. But here the unit vector, it is dividing with this length, even plus or minus. You may write like this one. Okay, Nana? Yeah. Now, seventh one. Seventh is okay. Eighth one. Find the unit vector of PQ bar. Find the unit vector in the direction of PQ bar where P and Q are given. You see, I mean, what is P given? P is equal to 1, 2, 3 and Q is equal to 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. We are asked to find the unit vector along PQ bar. First we find PQ bar. PQ bar means it is a free vector. OQ bar minus OP bar. That is 4, 5, 6 minus 1, 2, 3. That is 4 minus 1, comma, 5 minus 2, comma, 6 minus 3. It is 3, comma, 3, comma, 3. Okay, na? That is 3i plus 3j plus 3k. Okay, na? 3i plus 3j plus 3k. Yeah. Now unit vector. We are asked unit vector of PQ bar along PQ bar in the direction of PQ bar, parallel to PQ bar, collinear to PQ bar, whatever it may be, all are same. Of PQ bar in the direction of PQ bar, along the PQ bar, parallel to PQ bar, all are same. So is PQ cap. It is mentioned as PQ cap, PQ bar by modulus of PQ bar. Okay, na? What is PQ? It is 3i plus 3j plus 3k by root of 9 plus 9 plus 9. That is 3 of I plus j plus k. Na? I take the common 3. It is root 27. Root 27 means 3 root 3. You will agree? 3 root 3. So 3 cancels. It is plus or minus 1 by root 3 of I plus j plus k. Okay, na? Is it clear? Observe. 3 cancels. Root 27. Root 27 means 9 3. So root 9 is 3. Root 3 is there. 3 cancels. Root is there. So 1 by root 3. I plus j plus k is written. So that is the unit vector along the PQ bar. Okay, na? Now we'll go to next. Okay. Next, we saw another PQ bar. Next, ninth one. Ninth one is observe me. A bar, B bar is given. Ninth. A bar. What is A bar? It is given vectors. A bar is equal to 2i minus j plus 2k. That is 2 comma minus 1 comma 2. And B bar is equal to, what is B bar? We are given minus I plus j minus k cap is given. That is minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 1. And first we find A bar plus B bar, the sum of vectors. the addition of vectors. That is 2 comma minus 1 comma 2 plus minus 1 minus 1 is correct. 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 plus 1 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. That is I plus 0j plus k cap is given. Okay now? Yeah. Now unit vector. Unit vector along A bar plus B bar is, how can you calculate? Is, say let x cap, that is let it be x cap, x bar, it is x bar. X cap is unit vector along x bar. X cap means x bar by modulus of x bar. What is x bar? X bar is I plus 0j plus k cap by root of 1 plus 0 plus 1. So it is 1 by root 2 of I plus, you write k1, not j, not needed. Okay, now that is unit vector along A bar plus B bar. Is it clear? Sum is asked. If you use this point coordinates, or otherwise you add it. 2i minus j, I. J cancels 0j. 2k minus k is plus k1. Okay now? Like that. Next, 10th problem. Find the vector in the direction of a vector which has magnitude 8 units. It's a very important problem. Try to understand it then. It's important. It's a fantastic concept. Find a unit vector in the direction of. We are asked not unit vector, find a vector. We are asked like that, not unit vector. Find a vector in the direction of this vector, but whose required magnitude of required vector is 8 units. You see, first given vector is, let it be A bar. A bar is 5i minus j plus 2k. Okay now? It is given vector. We find A cap. A cap is modulus of A bar by modulus of A bar. That is 5i minus j plus 2k by root of 25 plus 1 plus 4. You agree? 5 square 25 minus 1 square 1, 2 square 4. This is root 30. That is 1 by root 30. Root 30. Okay now? It is 5i minus j plus 2k. This is a cap. This is a vector, unit vector along the given vector. But we are not asked the unit vector. Here is a very good logic. We are given one vector and we are not asked unit vector along that given vector. But I find the unit vector. What is the meaning of unit vector? Unit length and direction. Unit length means no length. Direction is there. One unit length, direction is there. Okay now? You see, now we are asked to find a new vector. Vector whose magnitude is 8 units. But in direction of this A bar. So the required vector is parallel, is on the same direction of A bar, but its magnitude is 8 units. You see, the direction is a cap. Is 8 a cap. I will write it as 8 a cap. What is 8 a cap? A cap is unit length into 8. 8 units length is there. 8 units. This new vector's magnitude is 8 units. Why? Because 8 into 1 unit. A cap means 1 unit. 8 into 1 is 8 units length is there. What is required? 8 units length is there. Its direction is A cap means direction of A cap. A bar. So it is 8 1 by root 13 into 5y minus j plus 2k. So very clearly 8 by root 30 of 5y minus j plus 2k. Okay, this is the required vector whose length is 8 units but direction is same as a given vector. Try to understand. Okay, na? Like that one. Yeah. Right then. This is 11th one. We are asked in the 11th problem show that the two given vectors are collinear. First we write the given vectors. Given vectors are a bar is equal to, what is a bar? 2i minus 3j plus 4k. Okay, na? That is 2 comma minus 3 comma 4. You practice this one also. Convert the given vector into point geometry. This practice gives help in the solving the problems in the objective. Or otherwise, leave it out for now. Okay, na? And B bar is it is minus 4i minus 16j minus 4i minus 16j minus 8k. It is minus 4 minus 16 minus 8. Okay, na? Okay, na? That is show that they are collinear vectors. We are asked to collinear vectors. It is, I think it is, just you verify the problem. Is it correct or not? 2i minus 3j plus 4k and minus 4i plus 6j plus I think it is plus. It is plus 6j, yeah. Yeah. Now it is okay. It is plus 6, okay. You see, the B bar, you see, what is B bar? It is minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k. You take minus 2 as common. Minus 2 as common, it is 2i minus 3j plus 4k. Will agree na? Okay, na? Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6. Minus 2 into plus 4 is minus 8k. It is nothing but minus 2 into a bar. This is nothing but a bar. A bar is there. So B bar is, you see here, B bar is equal to minus 2 a bar. It is some times of, whatever it may be minus. Minus means its directions are opposite directions, but lying on the same. You see, this is B bar, Nana. Say it is PQ bar, you assume. PQ bar is B bar. Okay, now say it is R. There is a point R. Here is A bar is there. You see, total it is a midpoint. You assume it is a midpoint. Say it is A bar also. Its magnitudes are equal but opposite direction. PQ bar is in the direction of You see, PQ bar in the direction same. Okay, na? PQ bar, A bar plus A bar to A bar. But specifically, here it is this vector A bar. It is A bar, you assume. Okay, now? Or otherwise, if it is giving some confusion, we will change. You see, this is PQ bar is 10 units. It is P to Q. But it is RS bar. It is 5 units. Here it is called as this vector is B bar. It is called as B bar singly. It is A bar. Okay, now B bar is from P to Q at opposite direction, R to S. It is A bar, but its length is 5, but its length is 10. You verify. You may feel that, sir, they are parallel vectors. Of course, parallel vectors, opposite directions. Why? Because minus is there. If you take this one here only, if you take this one here only, like this, here only, it is R and S. It is 5 units. Say it is A bar. It is opposite direction. Yeah, okay na? Okay na? Lying on the same line. At that time, we may say it is a collinear vectors. They are collinear, but whether they are on the same line, same direction or opposite direction, but one vector is some multiple with a scalar of another vector. Suppose x bar is equal to 5y bar. X bar and y bar are collinear vectors. 2x bar is equal to minus 3y bar. Here also they are collinear vectors. And y bar by 2 by 5 is equal to z bar by 6. Now also this is 6y bar, 5z bar. Here also they are collinear vectors. Any two vectors are parallel or collinear, then we may fix it in an equation. One vector is equal to multiple of another vector with a scalar. Maybe positive or negative. No bother. Okay, now like this. These are all external, not needed. You don't mention on the paper also, not needed. Simply you mind it. That is the 11th one. Next, 12th one. Find the disease of, this is a very good concept. It is disease of A bar, we are assuming A bar plus 2j plus 3k cap. Yeah, no? Now, the disease. First you write drs. Drs is 1, 2, 3. Already I told you number of times. The coefficients, the multiples, the components, the scalar components, whatever it may be, they are drs simply. Drs are simply components. If you want to find disease, direction ratios, direction cosines disease are 1 by root of 1 plus 4 plus 9. Will agree? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Comma 2 by same 1 plus 4 plus 9. 3 by root of 1 plus 4 plus 9. Very clearly we may write it as it is 1 by root 14. It is 2 by root 14 and 3 by root 14. Okay, Nana? Like that. They are the DCs. First you find the DRs and then you divide with the square root of sum of squares of components. It is okay. Next we go to the last one. Find the DCs of the line joining. 13th one. Line joining. Given points. Given points. We are given points. Yeah. It is 1, 2, minus 3. B. How much? Minus 1. minus 2 comma 1. Minus 1 minus 2 comma 1. Yeah. Now like joining from A to B, in the textbook you verify from A to B is given. So AB bar means OB bar minus OA bar. That is minus 1 minus 2 1 minus 1 comma 2 comma minus 3. Okay na? It is minus 1 comma minus 2 comma 1 minus of minus 3. It is minus 2 minus 4, 1 plus 4 is 4. So it is 2i minus 4j plus 4k. Okay na? Now this is AB bar. We are asked to find the disease line joining the points A and B. Now, what are the dias of AB bar? Minus 2, minus 4, comma 4. Then the disease of AB bar. Minus 2 by root of 4 plus 16 plus 16. Minus 4 by same root. 4 by the same root. What is 2 by 32, 34, 6. Minus 4 by 6, 4 by 6. Is it correct? It's correct. 16 plus 6, 32, 4. 36, root 36, 6. So this is minus 1 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. It is 2 by 3. Minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Okay, Dada? Those are the dias. Finding the method. Dias. Observe. Okay, Dada? Yeah.